OMG. Yes, Maxine's Corner. Okay, my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple and easy protein shake without using protein powder. You've asked and I am delivering. All right, so the first thing that I'm adding is 1 banana. It's my banana. Then I have 1 apple that I cut up. Just throw it in there. Don't be afraid. Use your hands. Throw your apples in. Hey guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? Simple, easy recipes, vegan, and they are delicious. I have here 1 teaspoon of flax mix. Now, when I say flax mix, I'm talking about flax and chia blend. Now, chia and flax are packed full of fiber. We got about 3 grams of omega-3 plus 4 grams of fiber with the chia. All right, guys, so let me go ahead and add that in here. It's always good to add chia. It's good to add chia and flax, packed full of fiber. I'm using PB2, and that's pretty much just peanut butter powder. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of that. 1, 2. That's how we're going to get our protein. It's going to be absolutely delicious. To that, I will add 1 cup of frozen berries, and this is strawberries. This is our antioxidant. I had this in the refrigerator so you guys know it's frozen. Okay, packed full of antioxidants. 2 cups of crushed ice. To that, I will be adding 2 cups of water. You can add any nut milk that you choose. I'm just using water. Guys, and you can also use coconut water if you choose to do so. So no worries. And that's all you will need for this delicious protein shake without protein powder. So now let's just go ahead and blend all this stuff up. Let's go. Woo! Guys, I am serious. Look at this. Look at this. If you love protein shakes and sometimes you just don't want to use the protein powder, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's pour this out and enjoy it. Let's get ready to pour. This is it. This is it. Look at that. Look at this. So yummy, so delicious. Protein shake. Ooh! OMG! Yes! Maxine's Corner! You have done it again. Go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up because you know and I know that Maxine's Corner has what? Done it again. Look at that. And I know it tastes delicious because I've made it on numerous occasions. Yes, I have. This is what you're looking at, a delicious protein shake without protein powder. Get your protein in, guys. You could drink this before the gym, after the gym, doing the gym. No, just kidding. Alright guys, so that's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And what? Say it with me. Go on. Stay healthy.